All right, so today we're going to talk a little bit more about financing a car. We're going to talk about how much you would have to finance if you were putting down a set down payment and a trade-in. All right, so what I did is, let's see, I decided that I was going to pretend to buy a new Honda Pilot. So this is the 2020 Honda Pilot. I added a couple things to it. I added the roof racks, of course, the backup sensors so I don't hit things, and my phone is always dead, so a wireless phone charger, and it came out to have an MSRP of $40,555. All right, then I said I have a Honda Pilot now that I could trade in. So my Honda Pilot was a 2013. See. It's in pretty fair condition. But you know what? I'm going to take the lower end because I'm going to say that the dealership's going to try to make some money off me. So I'm going to say that they're going to give me $12,877. All right. So I have my new car that I want to buy, which is $40,555. And then I have a trade-in value of $12,877. So I'm going to subtract that to find out how much I have to finance before my down payment. All right, so I have now $78 left to finance. All right, now I'm going to put a down payment down. So I'm going to say, let me put down a down payment of $5,000. All right, so now I'm down to financing $22,678. All right, so now let's check out our monthly payments to finance that type of car. So I looked to see what American Honda's deals are right now, and American Honda has a deal right now where you could finance with an APR of, okay, so they have an APR for 1.9% up to 60 months. All right, so we're going to run two scenarios. We're going to run the scenario for 2 years because it's 24 months to 60 months. So I'm going to run the scenario for 2 years, and I'm going to run the scenario for 5 years, and I'm going to see what my monthly payments would be. Okay, so after subtracting my trade-in value and my down payment, my AP is going to be $22,687. My I is going to be, the best rate I found was the 1.9% APR. So I'm going to scoop that twice, which means I have 0.019 for a annual percentage rate. So I have to divide that by 12 to get the monthly percentage rate. Okay, let's see if that decimal is something nice to look at. All right, it's kind of crazy, so I'm going to leave it like this. And now we'll say that I'm going to finance the car for 2 years. I say I want to pay this off as fast as I can. So 12 months for 2 years, which means that my end is going to be 24. All right, let's check out our monthly payments. All right, so we have $22,678 as the AP. We don't know what the recurring payments are yet. 1 minus 1 plus. I have to put that ugly fraction in, 0.019 over 12 to the negative 24 over 0.019 over 12. All right, let's throw that in the calculator. All right, so when I throw that into my calculator, I get 23.53-ish. That's this side of the decimal. This fraction, equal sign. So I have to divide both sides to get R by itself. So I have to take 22,678 and divide by that number. So let's do that. 22,678 divided by, I'm going to do second negative symbol so I don't have to retype it in. Wow, look at those monthly payments if I want to pay it off in 2 years. So my R for this scenario is $963.73 per month. Remember that. You have to come up with almost $1,000 a month to pay off this car in 2 years. All right, let's say that I couldn't float that. So now I'm going to see what happens if I pull the loan out to be 60 months, which is 5 years. Okay, so now we're going to try to finance this over 5 years instead of 2 years to see what happens to the monthly payment. All right. The interest rate, well, the amount of loan is going to be the same, and the interest rate is 1.9%, same as before. And I move the decimal twice. When we move the decimal twice, we get 0.019, which is our annual interest rate. So we have to divide this by 12 to get our monthly interest rate. Okay, our N, so now we're going to pay monthly for 5 years instead of 2 years. So monthly per 5 years gives us 60 total payments. Okay, so now into the formula. My interest rate is, my financing amount is the same. So $22,678. My R, I don't know yet. That's what I'm looking for. 1 minus, 1 plus. I have to put the ugly I in. And now it's 60 months instead of 24 months. Okay, let's throw that in the calculator. In the calculator, I get 57.19499. Notice the structure looks exactly the same over here. So this is 57.194, blah, 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 blah. Okay, so now I'm going to divide both sides by that 57-ish. Okay, so $22,678 divided by that number, so second answer. And wow, look at those monthly payments. Those are much more manageable. So if I go over 60 months, 5 years, my monthly payments will be $396.50. Okay, so let's look at one more thing before we wrap this up. So if we chose 2 years, we'd be paying $963.73. So we'd be making 24 payments of $963.73. So over the life of the loan, we would be paying $23,129.52. Now remember, the value that I was financing was less than that. The value was $22,678. So what I would be paying if I subtract what I'm actually financing, I am paying in interest. So I took this and subtracted the $22,678. I'd be paying $451.52 in interest over the life of the loan. Okay, so that's if I pay for 24 months. All right, so now the 60-month payment is way less. So let's see how much I pay. 60 months, $396.50. So 60 payments of $396.50 gets me $23,790. So that means that if I subtract the actual loan, which was, or the amount I was financing, which is $22,678, I am paying in interest $1,112 in interest. So even though these monthly payments are way less than these monthly payments, over the life of the loan, the 5-year loan, I'll be paying way more than the 2-year loan.